Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to move the icons on your taskbar from center to left on Windows 11. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is come down to your taskbar on the bottom. We're going to be looking for any free space and we're simply going to be right clicking. We'll have this option right here, taskbar settings. We're going to be left clicking to open this up and we're going to be opening up some settings for our taskbar. Once this is open, we're going to be looking for the very bottom one right here called taskbar behaviors. We're simply going to be left clicking this open. We're going to be looking for the very first option here called taskbar alignment. On the right, we will have this drop down. Here we can choose between center and left. If we change this to left, all of our icons will automatically move to the left, and just like that we can update our taskbar in Windows 11. I want to take this moment to give a huge shout out to the channel members, Sean Daly and Joshua Davis. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. If you'd like to have your name shouted out in future videos, be sure to click the join button under any video on the channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.